Hi, I'd like to show you my app FlockWords that I built using React, Redux, and Redux Thunk on the front end, and then Ruby on Rails on the back end. So FlockWords is essentially a little Twitter analysis app that allows you to put in up to four Twitter feeds of your choice, and then it will produce a word cloud using a D3 paste package to help you do a little visual analysis of the most commonly used words and the feeds that you're interested in. So as a user, maybe I'm into politics and I want to look at some politicians' feeds. So I'm going to go ahead and add their feeds to my page, and it's going to generate a word cloud. And then if I want to see, okay, not just Bernie, but maybe also another progressive senator, or 3, or even 4, I can go ahead and see climate is really big here. I can see pipeline is a major word, families, Texas. And so I can kind of right away see what these 4 progressive politicians are talking about on their Twitter feeds. And right now I have this pulling in up to the 20 most recent tweets. And for these kinds of accounts, that's not a problem at all. If there are fewer than 20 tweets in any account, it won't cause the app to break. It will just pull in as many as it can, up to 20. And that's also something that's flexible in the application build. Now, if I want to look at a little bit more about my data, I can see here my most commonly used words. So these are all the words that are used above 5 times by as an amalgam. And if I look at my about page here, I can see that the application was made using the Twitter API and the links for both of the GitHub repositories in order to run this app, and then my blog post to review more about the development. And then here, if I come back to home, you can see that my word cloud is still in place. If I remove an account, the word cloud is reconfigured and the form reappears to add a different account instead. I could add the Twitter main account instead, and that's going to change a little bit about how the word cloud is configured. But yeah, that's FlockWords. It allows you to analyze Twitter feeds visually. Thanks for listening.